Rebuilding trust in cities is one of the most important things we can do, even though in many ways it's unspoken. So many of us are doing that in different ways through arts and culture. Part of it is having diversity in the arts and culture so people feel that they belong and they see themselves represented. Some cities are using arts and culture to stimulate dialogue in community, to engage the populace in what's going on in their city or even what they want to see. What do they want for the city? So there are so many different ways, but we just know that arts and culture is a thriving part of every city, and it provides everything from jobs to well-being to social engagement to building empathy for other people. So many reasons why we love arts and culture, and rebuilding trust is going to be a really important exercise coming out of the pandemic, and one that we can use arts and culture to enhance.